Hello, I'm Dr. Tom Nichols from the OCCG, and this is a video to introduce the Primary Care Commission Services Dataset for EMIS Web, which is a revision to the existing version 5 data entry template and introduces new functionality. There are three components to the module: a data entry template, a protocol alert which will appear in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and the searches which have already been released to you via EMIS Enterprise. I will briefly draw your attention to the development process, because I continue to work to try and set up a formal service for the OCCG to take these sorts of resources from start to finish, and if you would like more information about how we develop the module, please use these hyperlinks or get in touch. I'm going to introduce you to the data entry template and the key training principle, which is that sometimes you'll need to save the template and then rerun it. I'm going to use the example of doing a lichen sclerosis check, and I'm going to find the template by searching for the word lichen. On the welcome page of the data entry template, you will find our email address, as well as a link to this video. I'm going to choose the dermatology service, and note that the template is warning me that the patient does not have a diagnosis of lichen, or any other conditions which would make the patient eligible for you to claim payment under the service. Scrolling down, I have a drop-down menu to add the diagnosis. I then need to save the template and then rerun it by clicking the lower half of the Run Template icon in the ribbon, where I can quickly rerun any templates which were used in the open consultation. Now, because the patient has a coded diagnosis of lichen, the template is happy for me to proceed, describes the diagnoses which should be monitored under the service, and further down gives me the option to record the shared care examination and claim the payment. This data entry section is highlighting that the patient has not had a review within the past 5 months. Conversely, if the patient had been reviewed, it would warn you to avoid duplicating work. I will also draw your attention to some changes to the LARC template, because the new service contract asks you to record the indication for fitting an intrauterine system, and you should tick all boxes that apply to describe why the IUS is being fitted. There is a hyperlink to the OCCG formulary website with more information about choices for the IUS, and the commissioners would like you to specifically record which of the devices was fitted using these three simple boxes. This dataset comes with one simple protocol alert, which, if activated, will draw your attention to the fact that your patient who is on warfarin has had a low time in therapeutic range and not yet had a personal action plan created. If you hover the mouse over the alert, you'll have additional information on screen, and if you double-click, then the alert will take you through to the same tab for the warfarin monitoring specification and allow you to record the action plan directly. If you find any bugs or have feedback, be that good or bad feedback, please email it to OCCG.Datasets@nhs.net. And if you'd like direct support in installing or activating, or have other general training issues, then please contact the training team on the details at the bottom of the screen. I really hope that these resources prove valuable and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.